welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do fishtail braids. So I split my hair in half all the way down to the middle, and then I'm just brushing my hair. I also added oil on the ends of my hair. So first I'm going to work on this side. So I'm going to split the hair in half. So I'm going to call these sections number 1 and number 2. I'm just going to grab a little bit of hair like so, and then bring it over number 2 and add it to number 1. I'm going to do the same thing on number 1. So grab a little bit of hair, add it to number 2. Then again, grab a little bit of hair and add it to the first section. Again, grab hair from number 1, add it to number 2. Grab hair from number 2, add it to number 1. Then grab hair from number 1 and add it to number 2. So you're grabbing hair on each side. That way when you bring it over, it will have that fishtail effect. If you grab it in the middle and add it over, it's not going to give that fishtail look. So do it again, grab hair on one side and add it to the other side. So you do this all the way to the ends of your hair. So instead of doing a 3-strand braid, you can change it up and do a fishtail braid. So next you can just split it up a little bit just to make it look a little thicker. If you have layers, some pieces will hang out. Some pieces will stick out like this one. So that's okay. If you don't mind it being a little messy, then that's fine. If you don't want your layers to stick out, then you don't need to make it looser. I'm okay with that. So one side is done. Next, you repeat the same steps on the other side. The smaller sections you grab, the more it will look like a fishtail braid. If you grab bigger sections, it might look like a regular 3-strand braid. So I have a lot of layers here, so I'm just going to stop the braid right here. So there it is, you have 2 regular fishtail braids. It's very easy, it's very simple, so if you just keep doing it and practicing it, you'll be very fast at doing this braid. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Please subscribe, don't forget to do that, and please like this video, comment down below, let me know if you guys tried this out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.